If you are using JioMeet on your iPhone and facing the JioMeet app crash issue, then don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can fix JioMeet crashing on iPhone. Solution number 1. Clear all background apps. Double tap to home button. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to close individual apps. If closing background apps doesn't solve the problem, move on to the next applicable solutions. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold down to the power button for a few seconds until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to power off your device. After a few seconds, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Allow your phone to finish its boost up sequence, and once it gets to the home screen, retry loading your app and see if the problem is gone. If the app is still crashing, continue to the next solution. Solution number 3. Uninstall and reinstall JioMeet app. Tap and hold JioMeet app and then tap on delete app. Now go to App Store and reinstall JioMeet app. This could be an easy solution to your problem. So that's all for today's video. Do try these solutions to fix your problem and don't forget to share your feedback in the comments. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.